feel that wind, that scent, that serenity? Do you know where to find real peace of mind? Welcome to the forest. The desire to return has always stayed with us. It's not an escape. It's a journey back to our roots. The roots that nowadays seem to be so hard to find, but so little is needed indeed to get back on track. Turn off the city. Leave the commotion behind. And let the time and mind flow. Don't rush. Join Škoda and the Amazon kitchen and enjoy the wilderness.